Hello, I'm Madison Moody, and today I will be walking you through the University of Idaho's website and talk about some aspects I used to perform the usability test. The layout of the university's website made the task easy to complete, and that will be the main focus of today's screencast. One of the first tasks I completed was learning where to and how to apply to the University of Idaho. At the top right corner is a tab that says Apply. Once you click on the tab, you'll be brought to 4 different options, and you choose the one that's best fit for you. This made the task efficient, easy to learn, and effective. How the website is laid out makes this enhancing and helpful to complete the task. Now, back to the home page is where I performed another task, which is where to get to the virtual tour feature of the University of Idaho. There are 3 ways to get to the virtual tour feature. The first way is at the top right corner in the Visit tab, and you click it. Once you click the Visit tab, you'll be brought to this page, and you'll click on the Explore Now feature in the Virtual Visit section. The second feature can be found on the home page if you scroll down and go See Yourself at U of I and click the Virtual Tour. Once you click this link, it will bring you to the tour right at the admin lawn. The third way is to hover over the Prospective Students tab and to click on the virtual tour, and it will also bring you to the link right to the admin lawn. This makes it easy to get to the direct link, and the layout of the website made this easy to learn and effective to complete the task. The final task I will be talking about is how to access the academic calendar. On the home page, there is a tab at the right where it says Events. Once you're on this page, click on Events and you will be taken to the event page of the University of Idaho. On the left is a tab that says Academic Calendar, and once you click on that, you'll be brought to the current date and months calendar. This task was easy to complete and learn. The results of the usability test performed on the University of Idaho's webpage proved that the many aspects and features on this website are easy to learn, effective, and you can get there in a timely manner. The layout of the website is easy to navigate and learn. Thank you all for listening.